Pool Labs ASP, or Auto Sampling Photometer, is the world's most accurate and reliable pool water management system. What sets Pool Lab apart is that it does not require the use of probes. Instead, it uses light in a process known as photometrics to determine the pH and chlorine levels. Photometrics is universally known as the gold standard of water analysis and is used by pool professionals to accurately measure pH and chlorine levels. Pool Lab uses a reagent set which requires less than 3 minutes to replace. A reagent set provides 700 tests or 7 to 8 months of analysis. For free chlorine measurement, it uses proprietary reagents 1 and 2, with reagent 3 for the pH. Alongside the pH reading, Pool Lab's free chlorine results are displayed in an easy parts per million value. Unlike Pool Lab, ORP probes only provide an approximation of the free chlorine value, and this is displayed in millivolts, which is difficult to control. ORP probes suffer interference from changing pH values. If the pH is allowed to drift upwards, the ORP probe will record a lower millivolt value and initiate a chlorine feed, resulting in an overchlorination event. Overchlorination causes equipment corrosion, damage to covers, some interiors, and swimmer discomfort. Pool Lab provides an accurate free chlorine reading regardless of the pH value. ORP probes also have an inverse correlation between the ORP millivolt value and the cyanuric stabilizer level in the pool. An overchlorination event is likely with probe systems if stabilizer levels change, as they do during a season. Probe manufacturers seek to mitigate this by restricting the use of stabilizer, but this causes wild swings in chlorine levels and an inability to keep up with chlorine demand. Pool Lab will record accurate free chlorine values regardless of the cyanuric acid level. ORP and pH probes require regular cleaning, removing the probes from their housing, then brushing and soaking them in a cleaning solution. Failure to keep the probes clean will cause false readings. ORP and pH probes also require regular calibration, which involves placing them in a calibration solution and following a procedure for adjusting the probe values. Probe readings drift over time, which is why regular calibration is required. Pool Lab requires no calibration because it completes an auto-calibration prior to each test. In addition, Pool Lab's photometer requires no cleaning or maintenance. Pool Lab's acid feed system is designed with simplicity in mind. Not many peristaltic pumps feed at pressures above 150 kPa. Pool Lab's peristaltic pump will easily feed the prescribed acid through a check valve and directly into the cell housing. Servicing can easily be completed by the homeowner. Many probe systems only have a 1-year warranty, with the probes being expensive to replace. Pool Lab's 5-year warranty is industry leading, and for good reason.